Today in front of me I have Honor 7T, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. To begin with, connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, then open the Google Play Store, sign in if necessary, then type in the Opera query. Once a new app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can go ahead and launch the app, and while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple and basic setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I will skip this step. And finally, you are granted with an opportunity to either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and proceed with using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.